Hi, Bob Venero. Welcome to Future Tech. Let's start track. This actually, Hillary Clinton did the ribbon cutting here.
Oh.
If you said to me 2 years ago that we were going to invest a ton of money in 3D print, I'd say, are you crazy? The 3D is here. But we believe that this is a game changer for the next 2 to 3 years. This is actually the HP 3D printer setup. And it's going to redefine what people do as far as tooling and build and production. So this is where the actual print takes place with this unit, and this is then the cleaning and the cooling. HP brought this to our attention probably about 6-9 months ago. January. This was just installed. It's not for the meek of heart. The machines are between $200,000 and $300,000. So if you can see, this is a ball within a ball within a ball, and that was all printed in one run. In the world of HP, you're able to do multiple parts at one time at speed that's sometimes 10 times quicker than the competition. These are actually reprinted by the machine itself. So when you need spare parts, you print your own spare parts. Number two, they are an open platform for their materials that they use so that other companies can build and design the materials so that HP can expand its offerings internally, and those people aren't locked out only because it's HP proprietary. This is the reusable 3D material that we have, and they reutilize and recapture 80% of the equipment as it goes through. So we're investing a lot of time, effort, and money in growing that business with HP across the country. So that's a big one.